Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet to receive money. First, open your Trust Wallet app. Then, choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You'll need to find and copy your unique wallet address for that specific coin. This address is essential for anyone sending you funds, ensuring they reach your wallet safely and correctly. Once you have your wallet address, share it with the person sending you money. It's crucial to confirm that they are sending the correct cryptocurrency to the correct network. For example, sending Ethereum to a Bitcoin address will result in lost funds. Always double-check the address with the sender before they initiate the transaction to prevent any errors. After the sender initiates the transfer, the transaction will begin processing on the blockchain. You can monitor the status of the incoming funds directly within your Trust Wallet. The time it takes for the funds to appear can vary, depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Generally, you'll see the funds after a few network confirmations. Congratulations! Your cryptocurrency has been successfully received and is now visible in your Trust Wallet. From here, you have full control over your digital assets. You can choose to hold them securely, send them to another wallet, or even swap them for other cryptocurrencies directly within the app. Trust Wallet ensures your funds are stored safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.